Meet goPLIMS, the integrated platform built for real-time visibility, workflow governance, and compliance-ready execution. Purpose-built from the ground up, goPLIMS helps teams to integrate, collaborate, and deliver across critical pharma execution workflows, all in one governed platform. From product development and clinical trials through tech transfer and capital projects, we support diverse teams to seamlessly manage all pre-manufacturing phases in their respective programs and workstreams. Pharma audits become easier to manage end-to-end. Plan the audit scope and schedule, execute checklists and capture evidence, report findings, and track remediation actions through to closure. Within specific workflows, goPLIMS retains tacit and explicit knowledge in various forms with the ability to transfer all of the knowledge to the manufacturing teams to support the entire lifecycle. For regulatory submissions, goPLIMS provides end-to-end support. Achieve governance across the entire submission lifecycle. Prepare, manage, and submit dossiers with confidence and compliance. goPLIMS empowers teams, provides seamless integration, and fosters global collaboration. The platform brings visibility, traceability, and confidence to regulated work, from planning through to closeout. Smarter execution starts here. Visit goPLIMS.com or email team@goplims.com.